Hello guys, in this video, we're going to talk about what are broad match, phrase match, and exact match in SEO. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you struggling with keyword research on your new advertising campaigns? Your choice of keywords is how you can connect with the search intent of your potential customers, and it can help in discovering your website. That is why keyword matching in SEO is important. When you create content, it might be difficult to know the right keywords that you should include on your website. Keyword matching shows how close a user searches that could match your keyword. Broad match is one of the keyword matching options that is used in SEO. It's also offered in Google Ads and other advertising platforms. This is the default keyword matching option for Google Ads. It is a keyword match type that is used to determine which search terms your ads are eligible to be compared to or matched against. It allows your search terms to be compared to the widest range of possible keyword searches related to your keyword. The search results can include misspellings, synonyms, relevant searches, and variations. A broad match can provide two results. First, use full broad match keywords. Broad match can provide you with a list of new phrases that search engines consider relevant to your business. It may include your keywords plus other keywords that may be used in addition to your keyword. It can be adjectives that describe your keyword. Second, you can discover completely irrelevant broad match keywords. These are keywords that are shown as a list of terms that are not relevant to your main keywords. You may notice that search engines might offer solutions that are not relevant to your business. So you can see that this type can give you a much broader and wider search results. Even irrelevant keywords can be shown in the search results. Next, phrase match. This is a keyword match that allows you to show search results that include the meaning of your word. It is a more targeted keyword type. It will also show results even if it shows extra words before or after your keyword. It tightens the search results to populate your ad when other random words or phrases appear before and after your exact keyword. This type of keyword match can reach a more specific audience compared to the broad match type. Next, exact match. This exact keyword match type is the most specific when it comes to keyword matching in SEO, as it shows the precise keywords the same as what your main keywords are. Although, it will show results such as misspellings of your exact keyword, singular or plural forms, acronyms, abbreviations, or accents. It shows the keywords that are a close variant of your keyword. The exact match keyword type will give you the most specific audience, but it might be limited. Then you will notice that the conversion rate will improve. Take note that broad match or phrase match will give you too many irrelevant or useless results, and the exact match might miss out on valuable long-tail keywords. So whatever type you use is dependent on your business needs. Keyword match types give more control over how and when you want your Google ad to appear. Keyword research is an important step to make your content visible to users. It will not benefit your business if you have relevant content but don't get enough audiences to discover it. If you need to run multiple ad accounts, multi-account social media, blog, and group marketing campaigns, we have a marketing app that can help your business run multiple marketing campaigns successfully. It's called Logi. It is the first multi-login, multi-account, anti-detect browser. First, run ads from multiple accounts. You can run multiple accounts and do multi-account marketing securely. You can gain 100% protection on all social media sites, forums, and blog sites. You can avoid wasting money on slow and expensive VPSs. You can secure multi-login browsing right on your computer. You can even scale your business and earn profits with multi-login marketing. Run multi-login, multi-account campaigns for yourself or your clients. Logi has the ultimate anti-detect protection for your digital marketers. It has geodata protection, IP protection, independent cookies, time zone anti-detection, and more. So try Logi now. Go to logi.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.